dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is rearrange number 7 to 12. In the previous class we learned rearrange from number 1 to 6, and today we will learn number 7 to 12. So let's start our class. Look. Rearrange the following jumbled letters and make meaningful words. Rearrange the following jumbled letters and make meaningful words. So this is our today's topic. That means, students, I'm repeating that. What does it mean? That means there will be some letters, some jumbled letters, and we have to rearrange these letters and make a meaningful word. Number 7, R-E-G-I-T. It doesn't mean anything because the letters are just jumbled here, and if we just rearrange the letters, then we will get the meaningful word tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Number 8, E-S-A-V, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. V-A-S-E, vase. Number 9, O-Z-O. Correct word will be, the meaningful word is Z-W, zoo. Z-W, zoo. Z-W, zoo. Now number 10, A-R-B-E-Z. The meaningful word is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Number 11, K-A-Y. The correct word is yolk. Y-A-K, yolk. Y-A-K, yolk. Y-A-K, yolk. Now number 12, the last one, N-U-S. And the meaningful word is sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Students, that means today we have learned 6 words, and they are tiger, vase, zoo, zebra, yolk, and sun. Students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well, take care. Allah Hafiz.